Well, hi again. So in this video, I am going to solve one more problem about how to read the equations of exponential functions from their given graph. So we're going backwards from the graph to the symbolic form, algebraic form of the function. So in the question, we are hinting you this should be, hey, this should be remember, this should be the form of the exponential function. All right, so steps, remember, we start with first finding C. You need to identify C first. Identify C, which is a horizontal asymptote. Okay, so then if you look at it, let me see if I can, yeah. So if you look at it, it is trying to be -3, well, a function, but it will come very close to -3, but it will never be -3. All right, so then let's put that value here. C will be equal to -3. Okay, now step 2. Step 1, okay. Step 2 was find A. And we're finding the A from y-intercept and use y-intercept for it. That's the tool. Okay, y-intercept means x equals 0, right? So that is the point here, 0, 3. It means that when x is equal to 0, f of 0 is equal to 3. That's what y-intercept is. When I plug in 0 for the x values, I will be having 3 for the function. So function will be equal to 3 when x is equal to 0. I'm going to plug in 0 for x. We already figured out what c is, and that will be the form, right? So b to the power 0, anything to the power 0 will become 1. So then this equation will turn out to be, don't jump the gun here, just thinking that cancel 3. No, one of them is 3, the other one is -3. They won't. It's so tempting. All right, then solve for A. Then A will become 6. All right, last step. Use the other point to figure out B. Okay, use the other point, find B. All right. So that's the order, C, A, B. All right. Then the other point was 1, 0. So 1, 0 means f of 1 is equal to 0. Okay. And we're going to be having 0 for the function. When we plug in, A was 6, 1 for the x, and C was -3. Okay. So you need to keep that in mind all the time. This is the function form. There will be an x. We are not going to solve anything. We're trying to obtain what is the algebraic form of this function if they give us this graph. We're not solving anything. That's not solving equations. Okay. Just wanted to reiterate that. Okay, so that's 0. B to the power 1 is B, -3. Add 3 both sides. 6b equals 3. Okay. Now that's so tempting, jump the gun, b is equal to 2, but it is not. It's 3 over 6, so hang in there. All right, so then b will be equal to 3 over 6, or b will be equal to 1 over 2. All right. So then get all those things together and write the function. Final answer, final cut. F of x will be equal to a was 6 times 1 over 2 x, okay, minus 3. That will be our answer. All right. So use these videos as you see fit for your assignment, and complete the assignment and bring it to class on Monday. There are a couple of other questions on the assignment, but these are the two main things that I wanted to emphasize. All right, see you soon.